Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. First and foremost, this is not financial advice. I'm not here telling you what to do with your money. You are going to make that decision on your own after you've done appropriate research like the responsible adult I know you are. Now today, I'm going to start out with a video. Very well put together one of this cartoon Steven Spielberg looking gentleman. Let's check this out. Token burn every month, alright? That's a lot of community members. Almost 500,000. It's first YouTube community token. So there we have the video. What is this all about? So, that is expert money, or I guess that's expert? I don't know. I'm not sure how that's intended to be pronounced, but we've got this handyman, kind of mad scientist, I guess more like a mad contractor looking gentleman, and this well put together, looks like there's some AI involved in this animation, but it's pretty high quality. A new era begins. People bored of the same dog coins. People bored of the same cat coins. Expert token time starts now. Alright, so let's talk about some features. So, like it said in the video, every month they're going to have a token burn. They have a huge community. Just incredible size to that. January Tier 1 listings, airdrop and stake rewards, and unlike a lot of other meme tokens out there, it has a mission. This project is reliable and has received 99 out of 99 points from its audit, KYC, and security companies. So it's been audited. There's some legitimacy to it. Let's check out this on CoinGecko. So yeah, we've got some good movement there. So expert money to do this is not in a language I understand. Well, we don't need to understand the language. We can understand the candlesticks. Candlesticks are a universal language. So, hovering right now here. Show me the... Alright, it has been climbing. Steady. I gotta say, this is some pretty excellent movement with its community. It may in fact go beyond Mars, as it's saying. We'll see. It's definitely had some really exciting momentum. Let's see what else we can find here. What else is there to find about expert token? So, expert money, it's really doing quite well here. Tier 1 exchange. So, things have been really looking well for expert money. Tier 1 exchange. Coin and all other altcoin may fall. Let's focus on the rise. First count, they've reached. My goodness. Just. So if I'm reading that correctly, if they were. This was just 1 week ago, they were just over 4,000 strong. And now they're coming up on 500,000. If I am understanding that correctly, that truly is a meteoric rise. They are getting some attention, and I think they should have yours. Check them out, see what they got. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.